Hello friend, welcome to your channel How to Know. In this video I'm going to tell about some important some trending NFTs in on the gate.io. So you can also check it out. I will also share the link in the description section. But first of all, you need to be a part of the gate.io, and to be a part, to sign up on the gate.io, sign up link is also given in the description section. From here you can directly click and join the gate.io, and you will get 10% off in each trade, and also you will get 40% of the trading amount. So let's start the video. First of all, I will request you all, please do like, subscribe my channel and share this video. If any suggestion, then please comment. You have to log in the gate.io account. After login, just you have to click on the NFT box. After clicking on NFT box, a page will be open. Here you can see multiple NFTs are showing and moving from here to there. So if you are clicking this, you will see the main page which will open. Dream Monkey launching on 16 December, Super Infinity Chain game platform. Lots of NFTs are going to list over here. Okay, so here you can see a NFT, like it is going to launch on 4th and already launched, and you can buy from this section. Seven the most popular NFTs are here. Gate.io Dreamverse Land NFT. Okay, Dreamverse K9S Open Punk and Loser Coin are most popular NFTs on Gate.io. So you can directly buy, and price is also given here, and volume of these NFTs are also mentioned here. Some special NFT selected on the Gate.io. You can see DE illustration, K9S, Master Horn Club, Metaverse apps, and currently auctioning is going on. Like you can see here, lots of auction is going over there. Trending NFT on the Gate.io or NFT market is here. Super Infinity NFT Mystery Box, Dream Wars Cosmic Guardian Mystery, Crypto Loser NFT Mystery Box, and Comic Ape, and lots of more NFTs are listing here. If you are created any kind of the NFT, it will be shown here. Like here you can see create and sell your NFT. To create and to sell NFT, I have already make a video on these all points. You can see the video in list, in my channel list, where it is easily explained how you can create own NFT and how you can sell your NFT to Gate.io, and you can earn money easily. So if you are want to any other video on the NFT, please do like, share, comment. If you want more video on this, if you want to go, if you want to check your own NFT, then you have to click my asset. After clicking here, the page will be open. Here you can see all your NFT. Here I have made some NFTs, and I have already listed these NFTs. Where name of the NFT Umaji, 1 rupee Indian coin Sumaji, and feel about nature. There are 4 NFTs listed on the Gate.io. If you want to check your work detail, if you have to click your works. If you want to check your collections, then you have to click on the collection. If you have made any NFT as a favorite, then you will see, you can see here. If you have liked any NFT, then likes will be shown here. If you want to trade on any NFT, that will be shown here. If you want to create any NFT, just you have to click here, create NFT, and page will be open. Here you can easily create. If you want to check it out in detail, please check my video list, where you can find all the video about the NFT creation on the Gate.io. So hope this video is very informational for you all. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.